The first thing that comes to mind when I think of my first day in the Army is probably the bus ride.
It was August in Georgia, which means it was brutally hot.
We were teaching squad patrolling lanes, and it was miserable hot, and the ticks were awful.
First day in the Army was definitely a new experience for me, coming straight out of high school. It was the first time I felt like an adult.
I need to lock in. This is getting serious, and this is going to change my life.
My inability to follow directions and to listen, which resulted in my shiny new watch getting broken on the first minute and a half of doing push-ups.
My drill sergeant drilling in my head every single day. Right place, right time, right uniform.
16 people in a tank platoon. You got to know everybody pretty well, all about teamwork.
When I think about my first day in the Army, I honestly feel like I was the epitome of the lost lieutenant.
We were working really hard, spending a lot of time on keyboard or learning or out in the field.
The people I work with and then the mission, but people first.
People. It's the most rewarding thing in our cyber. We have an awesome workforce. They get after the mission each and every day. I couldn't be prouder to be their commander.
The one attribute, to me at least, that defines a great soldier is just being motivated. Whether you're a junior soldier or a senior leader.
Putting on this jersey, the best Army in the world, there's nothing better. And it's all about service to the nation and service to the people.
Their ability to succeed, to tackle hard problems, and their ability to lead.
The people behind me remembering who I was, carrying on the good and the bad they learned from me, and taking that forward in everything they do.
I would love to leave an impact on the team, to kind of show that you can get to where you want to go if you work hard enough.
I hope that my legacy being in the Army will be something that is I was a compassionate leader, but also a fair leader.
Years from now, I hope that my legacy will be one of a super motivated, hardworking soldier who would complete any task that was put in front of them.
Years from now, I hope my Army legacy will be that I listened. I did not stand still, and hopefully made a difference in people's lives. Because at the end of the day, I truly believe that's what it's about.